So first, let me start by saying peace to the gods and goddesses of planet Kai. This is day 3 of No Nut November for me, family. So I just want to tap in with y'all, let y'all know that I appreciate y'all for riding this wave with me. We riding it together. You know what I'm saying? We one family, class. Um, Understand that it's a lot of distractions going on, but we have to stay focused. Okay, we have to stay focused. All right, we have to stay focused. Like I say, if you've been keeping up, you know the importance of retaining your semen or your life force. And then, as far as all the goddesses that's hitting me up, if y'all feel like y'all want to be a part of it too, hey, y'all can be a part of this. We don't want nobody feeling left out. Y'all can be a part of this, okay? Nothing is wrong with y'all. Hold on. Nothing is wrong with y'all being a part of what's going on, all right? I love y'all. Please understand that, okay? So I just want y'all to know that we doing No Nut November. This is day 3. All right, and as far as me, I mean, if y'all want to know how I'm feeling, I'm feeling good. You know, I got this, baby. Big dog. I got this. I'm feeling strong, y'all. But this only day 3. So this is a vlog. We gonna vlog the whole month. This is day 3. All right. I know y'all heard what happened to King Von. Rest in peace to him. My condolences goes out to him and his family and his loved ones, along with the other people that was hurt in the incident that happened down here in Atlanta. My condolences go out to all the other artists that we've lost over the years to violence, senseless violence, and people we losing in the streets. But like I keep telling y'all, it's a frequency war, all right? And the government, CIA is killing a lot of these rappers to keep certain beefs going, to keep certain energetic fields going, to deplete the energy. So I just need y'all to stay focused. All right, stay focused, stay aware, stay vigilant. We at the end, we at the last hurrah. This entire system as we know it is about to come crashing down. All right, so I will be dropping a lot of videos coming up in the next few days. Everybody steady asked me about the meditation videos. The meditation videos are coming. All right, they coming. So just stay focused, y'all. Stay focused, stay strong. And I love y'all. I appreciate y'all for tuning into this class. Y'all been sharing these videos. If you never caught we do live Facebook lectures in this university. So if you want to join, feel free to join. The link is below in the video description. Also, to everybody that's supporting this channel, be sure to when you come to it to hit the like button. All right, because we running them on up. We running them on up, y'all. We running them on up. All right. So with that being said, I love y'all. Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet Kai. This is my day 3 vlog of semen retention. All right, No Nut November, which is going to help the Kundalini energy that's rising already within you. Okay. A lot of y'all been reaching out to me. If I haven't responded to your comments, it's not because I'm acting funny or none of that. It's because I'm one person. I'm only one person. All right. So it's a lot of y'all to reach out to me, and I wanna communicate with y'all. I really do. Shout out to my barber too, man. He got me right on the taper side today. Didn't he, y'all? He did his thing. And shout out to my loctician. She did her thing too today, y'all. So, you know, we just taking it one day at a time, family, man. One day at a time. Stay focused, all right? I have more lessons dropping via YouTube, more lessons dropping via Facebook. All right, so y'all tune in. Like I was telling y'all, I love y'all. Stay focused, class. We living in them last days. This ain't about looking cute or trying to impress nobody or trying to keep up with the trend. Go within, meditate, link into your higher self. All right. If you are a Black or Latino, you are a carbonated being. You are a God. You are an angelic being, a being of light. All right. Everything they ever told you was a lie about you to keep you away from you. All right. Religion was made to suppress your natural spiritual gifts, which they like to call superhuman abilities. All right. So y'all make sure y'all tune into my Facebook tomorrow, because I will be dropping a message from the ancestors. And as y'all know, all these videos that we drop on Facebook will be coming to YouTube. We have more videos to drop that haven't even got here yet. So I didn't want to make this too long. All right. But stay focused, stay aware. They are using this election as part of their last hurrah. They are killing more. They will be trying to kill more celebrity rappers and, you know, anything to keep the focus off what's really going on, which is what's going on with this sky and this radiation. All right, y'all start stacking up y'all little food. Prepare for this planetary reset, this planetary shift. Prepare for everything. All right, expect the unexpected. I leave in perfect peace. Positive energy always creates elevation. That's the energy that I entered this lesson on, and that's the energy that I will leave with. With that being said, I leave as I come. One, peace to the gods and goddesses of Planet Kai. Love y'all.